Ona thutha wa wagagu wa kana githurano kia president nigigatabanio muthenya wa rucio, riu muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati niaugite kamiti yake ni haririirie uria kwagiriire gutabania githurano giki. Niaugite ati mibango yothe ya gutabania githurano nirikireire na ceceni cia wikia wa kura ikahingurwo thinacara cia rucini.
Fellow Kenyans, I wish to announce to you today, on behalf of the IEBC, that based on assurances given to this commission by the relevant authorities and security agencies, based on the progress that has been made in the commission, the elections as scheduled will go on tomorrow, the 26th of October 2017. All polling stations will open tomorrow at 6 a.m. for Kenyans to exercise their democratic right.
Chebukati neugite ugitiri ni ugacirithitio uria kwagiriire na ohokuria a Kenya makeyumiria guthurana mategwitigira.
The commission has received a guarantee from the Inspector General of Police in writing that certain strategic and operational changes have been effected to ensure peaceful and lawful expression of human rights. And that is very crucial, that the human rights are sacrosanct and security to life and property is lawfully upheld.
Oho neugite ceceni iria itakahota gwikia kura ni undu wa maundu ngurani, watho wa githurano ni ukahuthika na makinya maria magiriire gutacukio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.